Week 1 of the SLA Advisor Challenge is officially done. Let's get right into your Friday debrief.
You already know how to do a walk-around. The only question that matters today is, did your number move? Most stores average around 1.8 CP hours per RO, but the Elite Toledo method target, 3 to 4. That massive gap between average and elite, it actually has absolutely nothing to do with raw sales talent.
It's the consistency gap. The advisors who move their numbers simply executed the complete process without a single exception.
Let's look at the actual math, starting with a seemingly tiny improvement of just 0.3 hours per RO. If you write 20 ROs, that translates to $960 every single day in additional gross labor. That scales to $240,000 a year, yielding up to $30K in extra commission. Let that sink in. So, what separated the top performers this week? Let's do a reality check on your exact daily behaviors. Using an actual gauge to show a 3/30 seconds measurement removes all opinion. Undeniable proof lands the recommendation. On the flip side, skipping walkarounds during a rush or giving vague callback times actively destroys customer trust. Here's the absolute takeaway. The interactive walk-around process works when it's executed completely without any apologies.
Week 1 proved the Toledo method works if you put in the reps. Are you ready for week 2?